Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Watch S1 Active, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mi Fitness application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once the application opens, you should see the health page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page. And on this page, you should see your XIAOMI Watch S1 Active. Now scroll down, find the options like app notifications and incoming calls, and you can tap on app notifications first. If you see the pop-ups about the permissions, you need to allow certain permissions for the notifications to work, so tap on the OK button. It will redirect you to this list of applications. Find the Mi Fitness application on the list, tap on it, allow the notification access by tapping on the switch and tapping on allow, and once you allow notification access, go back to the Mi Fitness application. Now you can enable the notifications for apps by tapping on the switch. And here we can customize it a little. We can enable and disable options like receive only when phone is locked. So basically, if you enable this option, you will receive the notifications on your watch only if the screen on your phone is locked, turned off. And if you disable this option, you will receive them anyway if the screen is unlocked. Basically, that's how it works. Next, we have the wake screen option. This basically, if it's enabled, it will wake up the screen on your watch each time you receive the notification. And then we have the more options, and here we have option like sync all notifications. And if you enable this option, basically all of the notifications from your phone will be sent to your watch. But you can customize it. You can, for example, select only specific apps. To do it, disable the sync all notifications, tap on custom notifications. It will open the list of applications, and now you can enable and disable the notifications for these specific apps. For example, we can enable it for Discord, WhatsApp, and stuff like that. And once you're done, tap on done. Okay, let's go back to the device page. Now tap on incoming calls, and here we can enable the notifications for the calls. So if somebody calls you on your phone, the watch will vibrate and display who is calling you. And you can enable it by tapping on the switch. And if you get any pop-ups about the required permissions, you will need to allow them. So once you're done, the option is enabled, you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. Okay, so let's close the app. Now I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord to see if it's working. Let me just check if I'm logged in. I am. So I'm gonna open Discord, send myself a message. As you can see, we got the notification on our phone, and also we got it on our watch. If you miss the notification on your watch, you can swipe down from the top of the screen on the home screen to open the notification panel. And you can tap on them, read them, and you can clear them, I believe, by swiping left and right. No, you can just tap on them or tap on the clear button right here to clear all of them. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.